Here is a quick tutorial on how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows 10 installation. You have an NTFS hard drive format, so this should be a pretty quick tutorial. Okay, let's start. We're going to start by opening up the Windows and installation media we're using. So, if you already have a Windows 10 bootable on removable devices or CD-ROM drive or DVD, and you're getting the error saying that the Windows cannot be sold to this disk, the selected one has an MBR partition table. So, select which drive you have your bootable Windows 10. In my case, I used the CD or DVD. Okay, now here, after you're done entering in your Windows setup information, you click Next. And then click Install Now. Now here, you need to hold down the Shift key and the F10 key on your keyboard. It will open up the command line window. So, here start typing some commands. Type this command, diskpart, and hit enter. On the next line type, lisk disk and hit enter. Now you might have multiple disk listed. And in my case, I only have one, which is the disk 0. You need to choose where you want your Windows 10 installed. You need to identify which disk is your primary. So, in my case, I'm gonna select the disk 0 here. In the next line, you need to type this command. Type, select space disk 0 and hit enter. On the next line, type command, clean, and hit enter. It should say, this part is succeeded in cleaning the disk. Then next command, type, convert GPT and hit enter. Once it says successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format, you're pretty much done. Then just type exit. And type exit again one more time. If you don't have a product key, just select I don't have a key. Select a system you want to install. In my case, I choose Windows 10 Pro. Hit next. Accept end user license. And hit next. Select drive 0 unallocated space and hit next. Then, Windows installation will start. Good luck. Thanks for watching.